Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're doing an unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. This is the deep purple color and 256 gigabytes. This is the box that it comes in with. And now you want to slide this out, and this is the phone. This is that new color. As you can see, it's pretty dark. Taking it out, you got the wire, charging wire, and some paperwork. Alright guys, so this is the phone in that new deep purple. Just want to make a note that this is filmed on another iPhone 14 Pro, so you can check out the quality of the video. Okay, so on the bottom we have the microphone, the lightning port, and the speaker, as well as an antenna. On the right side we have another antenna, a power button, and no more SIM tray. As usual, nothing on top. And on the left we got the mute switch and the volume up and down. Take a look at the new camera system. As you can tell, it's much bigger than the previous years, but it does look nice, and it seems to be working very nicely. And on the front of the phone we've got the new pill-shaped cutouts here for the camera and the Face ID sensor. Very impressive color. It's not too purplish. It only looks purple in the right angles, especially out in the sun. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.